Rockport.
I'm Ben Morris.
And I'm Bryson Lang.
We're Smoky Mountain Foundations.
We're a civil engineering senior design team from the University of Tennessee. Our project was to design and construct an electrical substation foundation. The substation was built above an abandoned zinc mine. So now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the geotechnical aspects of this project. We conducted borings and lab tests to determine the soil properties of the site. We use these soil properties to determine if we satisfy all limit states. These limit states included settlement, differential settlement, and bearing capacity of the soil. One challenging aspect of this project was determining the effect of the void. And now, Leah Stevens is going to talk more about the structural aspects of this design.
So the mat foundation had to be designed with the point loads in mind of the transformers, the high side breakers, and the low side closures. And we also had to look at the area and the distributed loads of the control room. So we designed this foundation with several limit states in mind, such as shear, flexure, one-way shear, and punching shear. So we did this through a combination of hand calculations and RISA software. We used RISA Foundation specifically by inputting site-specific inputs and arriving at the optimal solution. So the final design looked at a single mat foundation with reinforcement. We're going to use number 5 bars at the top and the bottom of the foundation at 18-inch spacing. It's going to be 3,000 PSI concrete and it's going to be 12 inches thick. Now Ben's going to talk a little bit about the environmental.
The purpose of the environmental design is to stop any oil pollution from transformers into the soil or nearby watersheds. The volume for the oil containment area is 245 cubic feet and is located on the east corner of the substation. The water systems and drainage design features a 2% grade towards the east side of the lot. I also designed a sediment control plan to stop any sediment transportation from the construction area. And now Grayson's going to talk to you about the construction and transportation parts of the project.
One of the first things we did was conduct a traffic study to see if the current traffic would withstand the new large equipment and material deliveries that would be coming in, to make sure it would not interfere with the day-to-day traffic in the morning and afternoons and the heavy times of 7 to 9 and 4 to 6 p.m. The two most important things in construction management for this project was sequencing and quantity takeoffs. Sequencing was important so we didn't have any delays in the project, and quantity takeoffs was to make sure we had the right number of materials for pricing and durations. We ended up having a project value of almost $200,000 and a project duration of 52 working days. Now Ben's going to tell you the positives this project did for us.
One of the most challenging yet satisfying experiences of senior design is getting to work on a team. Teamwork is very important in everyone's professional careers. In senior design, we were able to experience some of these challenges and how rewarding it can be when it all comes together. Now Grayson's going to tell you about some positive outcomes for the client.
Two of the positive outcomes for any senior design mentor or client is they have an alternative design for their project. Also, just being involved with the student body and faculty at the University of Tennessee does great for them, the company also. Now back to Leah.
The senior design course has allowed us to gain invaluable experience working on a project. We were able to implement teamwork and project management skills in order to complete our project in a specified time period and under specific conditions. This course has given us a great experience that will help us throughout our coursework and our future careers.
Thank you so much for watching. Big shout out and thank you to C2RL, Chris Oro, our mentor, and Dr. J.